We all love content AI within HighLevel. It is a great way to generate content right within the platform rather than having to go out to ChatGPT or another AI tool in order to generate copy for your social media posts, emails, and so much more. Well, today we're talking about our content AI within social media and the improvements that have been made to the generation process, more specifically, our guided questions. Rather than having to come up with the theme of your own content or trying to figure out exactly what you want to write or even prompt AI, now HighLevel will ask you questions so you can really make content that is tailored to your brand without having to come up with your own topics and go through the process of trying to figure out your own prompting. So let's dive right in. Now within our social planner, we can get here via marketing in the social planner. We can click new post, and then under our content AI, once we select a platform, we can just do Instagram for this case. Here is our guided questions page. So this is going to ask us a couple of questions that's going to give us exactly what we're looking for. So it's going to ask us first, what is the core idea or message behind this XYZ post? As you can see here, it actually says Instagram, which is really cool. If we go back and we click a different platform, such as Facebook or let's do TikTok, then it asks us for TikTok specifically as well. So this is a really tiny key detail, but it's just showing that HighLevel is really paying attention to detail with these prompts. And with this, it will ask us what is our main hook or message of this reel. So we can type in our answer here. We'll say using HighLevel as a CRM. We can say what's our main goal to get signups, and then we'll only generate one variation. So these questions as well, under additional options, we have who is our target audience and any additional details it should know when generating the caption, because this means that using HighLevel, you can simply answer these questions, click generate, and then this is going to create a tailored content AI post for your TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, whatever platform you're using, rather than having to go to ChatGPT and say, write me a caption or write me a post for XYZ that does XYZ. Now with this guided question prompting process, this is going to allow you to create better content. So as we can see here, this immediately created our content based on what we asked. So this is really cool because this is going to allow us to really create more content. And if we're working with big teams, we can just give them the answers to those questions and allow HighLevel AI to generate more variations much quicker. So this is absolutely awesome. I love how this works. We can see that this has taken our key message and our goal into account. It has generated our content variation. We can use this content by clicking copy or just clicking continue, and then it's going to use it in a post. So this is absolutely awesome. It means you can make posts super quick. I love this feature. Now, if you have any questions about the guided content process, feel free to go to the help doc. As always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This has been Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.